Hi, I will show you how to solve the issue for Instagram filter search option not showing. And if you found this video helpful, please consider to subscribe. And now let's create this story and look for some filters. So swipe to the right, okay? And now if you are in these options for creating story, just swipe to the left for searching the filters and tap on this browse effects. And some Instagram account will open in this screen where you have selected the appearance and you cannot see on the left side the search option. Okay, so just click on this trending and it will showing up the search bar. But some of the other accounts also doesn't have these options. They cannot see the search bar here, and the thing you have to do is just when you are here on the appearance or on the trending, just take a screenshot of your phone, then save the screenshot to your gallery, save photos, close this story, simply close it, go to your Instagram profile by tapping the Instagram profile icon on the bottom right. Now go to the hamburger menu on the top right, scroll down and go to the help section, more information and support. Go to the help section and report a problem. Report a problem. Tap on this report problem without shaking. Include, tap on the include and continue. And here, just write the okay. Once you have put there some message for the support, just upload your screen. That and this one, just upload your screen. Okay, and send it to and click on the send for the technical problems, okay, and it will send the support the information about that your Instagram account cannot see the search options for the searching new filters, okay, and that's all you have to do, and in the few hours they will respond you and they will solve the issue for you, and if haven't, just let me know in the comment below and I will help you with that. Okay, and if you found this video helpful, please consider to subscribe. Thanks, bye.